Blackboard 黑板黑板黑板 Whiteboard 白板白板白板 Date 日期日期日期 Flag 国旗国旗国旗 Clock 钟表钟表钟表 Usually a big clock is 钟 A little watch or a small clock, we usually call it 表钟表钟表 Cabinet 柜子柜子柜子 Desk and chair 桌椅桌椅桌椅 Desk 桌子桌子 The special desk for school, we call it 课桌课桌课桌 Chair 椅子椅子椅子 Bookshelf 书架书架书架 Books 书书书 Notebook 笔记本笔记本笔记本 You can also call them 本子本子本子 Ruler 尺子尺子尺子 Tape 胶条胶条胶条 You can also call it 胶带胶带胶带 Scissors 剪刀剪刀剪刀 Glue 胶水胶水胶水 Playdoh 橡皮泥橡皮泥橡皮泥 Eraser 橡皮橡皮橡皮 Pencil 铅笔铅笔铅笔 Pens 笔笔笔 Crayons 蜡笔蜡笔蜡笔 Chinese 中文中文 or you can call it 汉语汉语汉语 Spanish 西班牙语西班牙语西班牙语 English 英语英语英语 Sometimes when we refer to English literacy, we call it 英文英文英文 Alphabets 字母字母字母 Math 数学数学数学 Science 科学科学科学
Hi everybody, this is Miss Ming, a student, and today I'm going to teach her how to speak Spanish and English, also Chinese. Give this video a thumbs up if you really wanted to learn Spanish, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. We will try our best to make you learn how to speak those 3 languages. Let's get started.
Blackboard 黑板
黑板
黑板 How do you say Spanish?
In Spanish, this is pizarrón. Next thing is desk.
Desk 书桌
Desk. 书桌 Desk. Escritorio.
How do you say it in Chinese?
书桌
Books 书
Books. 书 Books. Libros.
书
Libros.
Clock 表
Clock. 表 Reloj. Clock. Reloj.
表
Reloj.
Okay. Chair 椅子
Chair. It's
椅子
Silla. Chair. Silla.
椅子 Computer 电脑电脑
Computadora. Computer. Computadora.
电脑 Okay, good job.
If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want a part 2, comment down below and subscribe for Miss Ming's channel, and have fun learning Spanish and Chinese. Good luck. Peace.